In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset through the recovery mode in order to remove a lock screen. As you can see, there is one right here, and I can't get really past it to the screen. So to do it, we want to shut off the phone, and as you will also see, holding a power key will not work, because if I try to select power off, it will tell me to draw a pattern to turn off the phone. So what we want to do is hold volume down and power key till the screen shuts off, and you will see the screen will look like this. So let's hold it, and once you see the screen turn black, you will switch from volume down to volume up. So power key and volume down till it turns off, and then power key and volume up till it turns back on. So you can let go now. And we're now in the recovery mode. So here we will use volume up and down to navigate through the menu. As you will see, up and down like so, because the touchscreen doesn't really work, as you can see. And with that in mind, select wipe data factory reset right here, and then confirm it with the power key. So like this, and then once more confirm it by selecting yes, volume down once, and then power key to confirm yes. And you will see a little message on the bottom, wiping data, and then the last thing should be data wipe complete, and you should be back on the main page with the reboot system now being selected by default. So you can just press power key to reboot system now. And now the reset will kind of continue in the background, so just be patient. It will take a little bit longer to turn back on than it normally does. And once it's finished, you will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible on the screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished. I'm just gonna go through the setup fairly quickly. So let's choose a language, English. And as you can see, the lock screen is completely gone now, and you can now use the device freely. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.